Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy dry brush and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White, silver by Creative Play called Polish My Act, and a black holo by Color Club called Black Magic. So I already painted my nails with the silver polish. Then using my white polish, I'm going to do the dry brush. It's really quick and easy. I see you guys like the dry brush designs. I guess, like I always say, I guess you like it because it's quick and easy. I don't blame you. I like doing it because it's quick and easy also. And I did a thicker white because I thought that it kind of popped more. If I would have did it too sheen, you wouldn't have been able to see it in the silver. Once I was done, as you can see, I applied some liquid latex, and that's just for easier cleanup. I like to use it. It's really inexpensive. I get it on Amazon. Once I was done, I'm going to use my Finger Angels A006 nail plate, and I'm going to apply the black holo onto this abstract, unique design. I just love this design. I thought it would look perfect on top of it. Now, I thought the black was going to be more darker on top of the dry brush. It didn't come out like I wanted it to, but it did. It was nice. I liked how it came out, but I wanted the black to be more darker, but I also wanted that holo. So I was conflicted, but I love the finished look. So that's my personal preference. Once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a quick and easy design. You can do it with any color combos you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.